everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 28th to the 4th of March 2022 on Monday. Nkunzi has an indecent proposal for Subu that could see him go to prison for a crime he didn't commit. Njeza has his hearing with the parole board. Mr. Mbata is leaving on borrowed time on Tuesday. Subu prepared himself for life in prison while Njeza received devastating news, and Mr. Mbata's fear of death has him in a contractual bind on Wednesday. Reality sink in for Subu as he is welcomed to his new home. Njeza sleeps with one eye open. Mr. Mbata's spark has been reignited. What is he up to now on Thursday? Sibonelo is stripped of his right to the family land. Shobos refused to start a church with Mr. Mbata. Njeza is stabbed in a prison on Friday. Viga hijacks a truck. Hlelo goes off at Kapsile. Mbata's new church is off to a rocky start. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.